Sinulog Competition Street Dancing Competition.
Let's begin first with
the 5th placer.
5th placer is gikan sa contingent number
5th or ikalima nga dapit.
Contingent number 2.
Mag-uuma o purok nangka. Okay, you can claim your cash prize. Yan mo na lang i-proclaim. Next is the 4th placer. Ulit nakakuha sa ikaw pa nga dapit.
Our 4th placer for the street dancing competition is contingent number 1.
Purok kay Mito. Tribo sa nagayusang mandaragat.
Next is our 3rd placer.
Ikatulong nga dapit sa street dancing.
Congratulations, contingent number. Contingent number 4.
Purok Chicos. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have 2 contingents left. Purok Sambag and Purok Tambis. Kinsa nila? Our 2nd placer.
Our 2nd placer is contingent number.
Contingent number 3, Purok Sambag. Which means our first placer is
contingent number 5,
Purok Tambis. Congratulations, Purok Tambis. You are the first placer for the street dancing competition.
And now we will give the award as well to our awards, minor awards for the street dance competition.
Yes, the best in Andas. Kinsa man ang pinakanindo to Andas.
Our best in Andas is contingent number.
Contingent number 3, Purok Sambag. Tribo Kasadya. Best in Andas.
Next award is our best in costume.
Best in costume sa mga festival dancers.
Our best in costume is contingent number.
Contingent number 4, Purok Chicos.
And our last award is best in
Decorated Tricycle.
our best in decorated tricycle is contingent number.
Contingent number 1, Purok Mito. Best in Decorated Tricycle.
Let's proceed with Saulog Festival Queen 2025, 5th placer.
Garnering 82.75%.
Our 5th placer for Festival Queen is candidate number
to present the award, Our request, we would like to request councilors of Barangay Bugho to present the award for. Let's have Honorable Binda Abduhan and Honorable Roth Greenhia.
Ladies and gentlemen, our festival queen of fourth runner-up is candidate number
Candidate number 1. Congratulations, still from Puro kay Pito. A third runner-up, right?
Yes. Our third runner-up for Festival Queen 2025 is
She garnered 86.5%.
our third runner-up is candidate number
To present the award, Honorable Lucelle Guinea and Honorable Warley Dumosmo.
and our third runner-up is candidate number
Candidate number 5. Third runner-up.
We're gonna dance to the beat of Sinulog. We're gonna shout to the world. It's Sinulog, come on, let's celebrate. Sinulog, for the peace of the world, unite as one.
All right. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Puro Kambis.
Moving next is our second runner-up.
Our second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, garnered 90.50%.